Hi guys. I know this is a busy first week with a lot of things to do, but one of the things you must do this week is to complete your first discussion board. Your discussion board thread being due this Thursday night before midnight. Now by discussion board, we don't mean sort of chewing the fat over a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Rather, you are to read the assigned material in your textbook, view the video and the assigned PowerPoint lectures, and then read the discussion board prompt and reflect on it in light of that assigned material. To give you a bit more clarity and focus on what is being asked, each week we have a discussion board. I have included on the discussion board a professor's thread called Invitation to Conversation. In that thread, I generally provide a brief video which lays out the parameters and gives you some do's and don'ts of things you need to do in order to score well on the discussion board. Click on Discussion Board in the main menu. Then scroll down to Discussion Board Forum 1, Module 1, and click on that. The very first thread you will see is the one posted by your professor. If you click on that, you will see Invitation to Conversation Discussion Board 1 Case Study, and then there is a brief video. Click on that video, watch the video, and it will help you to complete the first discussion board. Well, that's how you get to the professor's thread. Take advantage of these helps. I've placed them throughout the course, and they're there to help you understand the assignments, do well on the assignments, and score well. Till next time, take care. God bless.